How to sign up for a new account on Agoda. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Agoda. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is download the application from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have the application installed, you can simply go ahead and open up the app, and now you'll be asked to log in or create an account. Now, once you get to this page, you actually have multiple options. You can either sign in from Google, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. You could just enter your email as well. So go ahead and enter your email and click on continue. If you want other ways to sign in, you can sign in using your phone number as well. I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address here. So you're going to have to enter your first name and then your last name right here. Then agree to their terms and condition. And you're going to have to complete the captcha as well if they ask you. Now they will send you an OTP code on your email. All you have to do is copy that code and paste it right here. So here is the email that I've gotten from them. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this code and paste it right here on the app. So let me just paste the code and tap on continue. So as you can see, my account has successfully been created. You can customize your notification settings from here. You can allow your app to access your location and many different things. So that's how you create an account for your Agoda. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.